The night of the forbidden month is here. Curtains are drawn and the sun peers one last time. A candle is blown and the burn of the wax is 10 days slow. The stars are red, dipped in royal grief, and the sky is a beaten chest. Colors pressed, black on black doves. Dipped in ink, the nightingale sings the martyr's symphony in the streets. The drums are as loud as hearts, and the cries are as loud as the quiet beat of an angel's wing caught between the silver cages of a wish. For no broken heart is dismissed. When the flag is raised as far as the skies can reach, and when it drops, time stops. For history is an elegy, and this place here is the poem moving from body to body, for this type of sorrow is a place found outside of the burning tent of the heart, where two shrines stand apart like two eyes ready to cry, together held like a river of wax on this forever lonely candle of time.